एन.वी. राजीव जी नेशनल इनोवेशन फाउंडेशन के वाइस चेयरमैन हैं और साथ ही विभा भारती के विभा वाणी के चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव डायरेक्टर भी हैं। विभा वाणी नेशनल बिल्डिंग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का नेशनल नेटवर्क है जिसमें पूरे देश में 1000 से भी ज्यादा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जुड़कर कार्य कर रहे हैं। अब मैं स्वागत करती हूँ श्री एन.पी. राजीव जी का। आपका स्वागत है सर।
Good morning to all. Most respected Satish Mahanaji, Cabinet Minister UP, Honorable Vice Chancellor Dr. Ravi Shankar Singh ji, Sandeep Dwivedi ji, Geetika Srivastav, and Manisha, and all the dignitaries of the university, the innovators who have come from all over India. I would like to restrict my speech to only 3-4 points because of time constraint and connectivity problems. I would say that innovation has a lot of implications, especially when our nation is destined to become the most powerful economic nation in the world by 2030. Every economist has agreed to that. So what is our roadmap? So I feel that innovation is the key word by which we can take this forward, that we will become the most powerful nation in the world within next 10 years. We have the strength of the innovators, the manpower is there, all the technologies are there, the geographical diversity is there. So I would like to briefly discuss on how we can reach that roadmap. I am representing National Innovation Foundation, the premium institution in India by Government of India for the last 20 years. This institution was formed 20 years back when this innovation as a terminology was not used at all. Rarely people use this word innovation, but nowadays, whenever a speech is there, at least 5 times in a sentence, the innovation comes up. That is the relevance. But looking at the international scenario, India is still at the 53rd position in the International Innovation Index. Actually, 5 years back, we were at 86th position. Now we were able to scale up to some 30-35 points, but still we are only 53rd position in the International Innovation System Index. So we have a long way to go in the innovation ecosystem. So I would suggest 2 aspects to this innovation. One is inclusive innovation and social innovation. So what is, I will come to the social innovation first. What is social innovation? Because all the technologies and every innovation is intended to solve the societal problem. So we have to identify the social problems first. So it has to come from the bottom-up approach, not the top-down approach. So we have to go to the grassroots. So the innovator who is working on some social problem will come up with some innovative solution, and it will address the problem of the society. So previously, Jayant Rao Sahasrabuddhe was telling about the various social issues and the economic issues which we are facing. So how to solve the problem of drinking water, how to solve the problem of the quality of air through some innovative technologies. And we are also confronted with a lot of problems in the agriculture sector, water resources, so many issues, health related. So during the COVID period also, National Innovation Foundation had given a call for innovative technologies, and we received around 2,200 technologies which can address the COVID impact. So we have selected some 22 technologies and we are disseminating that. So social innovation means essentially those innovations which can solve the social problems at the grassroots. Secondly, the inclusive innovation ecosystem. That is very important because we have a lot of research institutions under CSIR or the various agricultural ministry. There are a lot of research institutions. There are a lot of universities also. So institutional wise, India is very rich. And a lot of talents are also there. A lot of research is going on developing so many technologies. But the issue is whether these technologies are reaching to the society. So the institutions has to, whatever technologies are developed, it has to reach to the land, lab to land we call. So that is very important. So how to collaborate between the institutions and the grassroots level activities. Second is there are a lot of stakeholders in this innovation ecosystem. For example, a lot of people who can develop designs of the technologies which are developed by grassroots innovators. So National Innovation Foundation is basically developing a model how we can implement. See, we agreeing to the fact that we need innovation for the future roadmap of India. That is everybody agreeing to that. But what is the way out? So we have developed a model through a National Innovation Foundation, 5 areas where we are focusing. So I suggest that every institution who are participating in this webinar can take these 6 points very easily. One is how to document and scout the innovators. Whether it is in the grassroots or whether it is in the institutional space, that doesn't matter. But those innovators who are concerned with the societal problem, we need to scout them and document whatever technologies they have developed. Second phase is how to develop a model, a workable model by which some technology applications can be done through that innovative idea. And we will come up with some models. So building models is one, means prototypes. Third is how to match this with the industrial requirements or the specifications. Unless a technology which is industry oriented, which can cater to the needs of the industry, it cannot be commercialized. It will be only to the satisfaction of the innovator. So how to validate, how to develop it and make it industry specific, that is a third point. And fourth and foremost is how to protect the intellectual property rights of the innovator. That is also very important. Fifth is how to link this technology or the innovator with the industry, collaboration with the industry. And sixth and foremost is funding for such innovators. So these 6 angles, National Innovation Foundation has developed a model which is recognized throughout the world, and most of the ASEAN nations are following our nation's model. So I would suggest that let all the universities, let all the colleges imbibe some of the positive or the outcomes which NIF has been doing this for all these years. And NIF is now having a database of more than 5 lakh innovative technologies. Now we have digitalized it and we are going to launch it into the public domain. We are expecting for our Honorable Dr. Harshvardhanji to launch it within 2 months. So these technologies which has come to NIF over a period, which were validated and developed, it is going to the preview of the public through digital model. So we are going to give a digital database to those people who wants to take these technologies and commercialize it so that it reaches to the common man. So the National Innovation Foundation, which is essentially working for the grassroots innovation, whether the innovation is by the grassroots or for the grassroots. Previously, we were encouraging the innovations only from the grassroots innovators, but now we have expanded our mandate because of the growing requirement of the innovation. We are expanding our mandate to all the innovations which are for the grassroots. So what we mean is providing technologies which are affordable and accessible to the public. So that is very important. If technology is not accessible and affordable, it will not serve the purpose. For that, we need a stake by the entrepreneurs who are interested to take this technology forward. Maybe the innovators may not be good at entrepreneurship. So we need to handhold support with both the innovators and the entrepreneurs. So this is essentially the inclusive innovation ecosystem, which means all the stakeholders, whether it is in the research institutions, the grassroots, ordinary persons who think about solving the societal problems, the innovative ideas coming from the students, that is very important area. We need to have a common ecosystem by which we will be complementing each other so that we can march ahead and transform the society, Now we are discussing this atmnirbharbharat, vocal the local, how it can happen only through innovative ideas, only taking the innovative technologies to the benefit of the society, and how to take this innovation into proper design and of course quality certifications also. So I think this initiative by Vigyan Bharati, I congratulate Shreyamsji and Divedi, who have been figuring all this mission. And I was fortunate to have a discussion 2 years back of how to open up in UP an innovative collaborative mode by which we can take the largest state, or 20% of India is UP, I would say. So UP means unlimited potential. So if we can have a change in the innovation scenario, then if UP can lead the innovative ecosystem, I think our nation as such will climb up the International Innovation Index and will be the first and the foremost innovative nation in the world when we become an economic superpower. So economic superpower means all the ordinary person's needs are met. We can solve the societal issues and give a model by which the sustainable development will be in practice, not in theory. So isolated work has to end. Collaborative type of approach is needed for this inclusive ecosystem. So I think this is a very good step. And I feel that around more than 200 participants are there in this webinar. So I think that a lot of interest is there in UP. So how to come together, how to think together, and how to work together would be the future roadmap. Of course, NIF can take a leading role, a leadership role in transforming the society through inclusive innovative ecosystem. And social innovation is the key word by which we have to take this forward. Thank you. And I extend my sincere gratitude to the organizers of this program for giving me a chance to speak about the NIF, the role of innovation in the future development of the country. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. As you said that NIF is wishing to open up with the university in UP. So I would like to welcome on behalf of our university, you can come and visit our university. Maybe all together we can establish an innovation cell, and a lot of potential is there amongst our students and faculty members. Maybe jointly we can do something really great. We can achieve something great about towards the goal of atmnirbharbharat. And as you rightly said, that there are lots of institutions, lots of research institutions, but there is a gap between what research institutions are doing and what our society is demanding. So there is a need of the time for collaborating these institutions with the societal need. And social innovation, as you said, is the correct term, where the focus should be on the grassroots problems of the society, and these organizations should work towards solving those problems. And you very beautifully put up 6 points about the objectives of the NIF and what should be the innovators should be supported with the documentation of their innovation, the prototype development of their innovation. Their requirements should be matched with the industry, and we should protect their IPR and their innovation. The link between technology and industry is also required, and funding for such innovation is also required. So very, very thoughtful speech you gave to us, and I hope it will benefit our students and our attendees of different institutions and university also. And on behalf of the university, I would take this privilege to invite you to come and visit us, and please give us a chance to establish innovation cell here with help of NIF. Thank you so much, sir, for your kind words.